Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to close your Toyota Sienna back window using an easy method. First, determine which rear window needs closing, as the Sienna has multiple. Check the window's track for any objects like toys or debris that might prevent it from moving freely. This simple check can save you time and prevent damage. Next, find the correct switch or handle that operates that specific window. Let's get started with the manual method. If your Sienna has manual rear windows, the process is straightforward. Firmly grasp the window crank handle located on the door panel. Rotate the handle in a clockwise direction to begin raising the window. You'll feel the window moving upward smoothly. Continue turning the handle until the window is completely closed and sealed against the weather stripping. This ensures a secure and quiet cabin. For Toyota Sienna models equipped with power rear windows, the process is even simpler. Head to the driver's side door panel, where you'll find a bank of window switches. Identify the switch corresponding to the rear window you wish to close. Gently press and hold the top part of this switch upwards. The window will automatically glide into its closed position. Release the switch once the window is completely up and sealed. If your window isn't closing, first check the child lock button on the driver's door. It might be engaged. If it's a power window and still not working, a blown fuse could be the culprit, so consider checking your vehicle's fuse box. Sometimes, a quick reset of the power system can also resolve minor glitches. Remember to keep your window tracks clean for smooth operation. Also, for staying refreshed on the go, check out the Owala water bottle link and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.